at the Arizona Aquarium. We show you to something like presentation without representative for a long day. I don't give you ever want something too hard to do. So we asked not to promise me to hang out with a Australian collection at Arizona Aquarium at OdySea. There's dobro više. A godine građanje države. We are not everybody's home.
Too scared.
No. Oh, I'm still all scared. No.
James Hands. Don't let her in. Avoid her at all costs.
I'm scared. I'm not kidding.
I'm scared.
I'm scared of the elevator by the end. No, what? No, no, show your Cox logo. Cox logo. You're a Cox logo like provider. We're not even jokes about terminal even. This is a contest. Animal Migration Day. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are hilarious. Oh my god. Hang out with Bill Rod. Bill Rod, are you hanging out in Arizona? Hang out in the Turtle Aquarium? And kind of hang out in the.
Is that your favorite?
I'm afraid of turtles.
What are they doing?
They're swimming and dancing.
Are they dancing?
Posso cima. Ja sam res. That's a Russian cartoon.
So which one do you want to bring home?
No, you cannot adopt that.
Yeah,
You can't adopt. You can't adopt this.
It's gonna live with you.
No, it's dangerous.
In your mouth.
No, it's dangerous, little man.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
That's dangerous crocodile. I'm scared. I'm afraid.
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
You want some food? My finger.
No, I'm afraid. Afraid. Stop. What's going on right now, little Rod?
That's crazy. I've never seen it.
Dobro više zna. Dobro zna.
Let's look at that. Well, what's that one back there?
That one? That's a catfish.
So that one.
Oh my gosh.
It's a.
This is the one you gotta go under. And the sharks are right here.
No singing. De piesma. No singing. It's the scariest movie.
It's about to be.
I'm not afraid.
Hold your breath.
Time to see sharks.
I'm not scared of that.
See
Blue light on the screen.
There are sharks there. Yeah, these are the sharks.
Oh shoot.
Right here. Ooh, different kind.
Lumberjack wrasse.
Don't catch it.
Oh my gosh,
Right there.
Better not have one of these.
Drop your face mask on. Look at double presentacja.
Nice to your kelp.
Kelp juice.
Remember?
Seahorse.
Minus the kelp.
Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that one. The puffer fish looking thing.
Oh, that's a cool.
Look at that one, Brian. Look. Look at this one. Look at this fish. It's like
That's actually cool.
Mrs. Puff.
He's like, I like this one. He's allergic to fish. He's like,
Don't they camouflage
yeah,
very
that fish are
good?
rockers.
Camouflage. Camouflage me.
Camouflage.
Oh, we're not big one.
This species of ray is found in the Hawaiian Islands and Taiwan and can grow to have a wingspan of 5 feet across. Despite her intimidating size, she is extremely gentle and smart. She's very fond of scuba divers, and we swim with her often. It's made it very easy for us to build a close relationship with her. She's even learned behaviors that help with her health care, like swimming into a stretcher so that we can gently lift her to the surface to have our animal health team easily examine her for checkups. That's one big stretcher. Throughout the exhibit, you'll see 2 species of sea turtle, green and loggerhead. They are all rescued turtles that were severely injured and in need of a forever home. And let me tell you, they all have extremely different personalities. Green sea turtle Erica was found stranded on a beach in November of 2011. Erica weighed only 30 grams at the time of her rescue, the same weight as a light bulb. She was found with damage to her shell, both rear flippers, and one front flipper, most likely caused by a predator. Erica was recovered and rehabilitated by a rescue facility in Texas. Due to the severity of her injuries, she was deemed non-releasable by the U.S. government, but has found her forever home with OdySea Aquarium. Erica, although our smallest turtle, rules the roost with her adventurous and spunky personality. She is thriving under our care and is a wonderful ambassador for the world's endangered green sea turtle population.